you could be a little nicer to your teammates' ears. I've been a longtime fan of the ModMic mission. Take a pair of cans you like, slap on a much better microphone, et voila, you have the perfect gaming headset for you. The traditional ModMic solution came with extra cables and clips to manage that, but over several generations of product, they've stuck to the same magnetic clip, and that allows for a great upgrade path as your needs might change. Now, I was a little critical of the ModMic wireless. To me, this was a product slotted into a really niche market. The mic functioned great, but if you're going wireless, there are headsets that cut the cord for input and output, and if your preferred cans have a cable, why not stick to the same type of connection for the best stability? ModMic's newest Duo fit that philosophy and returned to the tried and true connection of plugging in a cable. ModMic Uni is as old school and as simple as this idea can get. A 3.5mm plug and any kind of mic input you've got will probably be happy. ModMic does sell a Y adapter to combine the mic input and headphone output for those combo plugs on laptops, tablets, and smartphones. But if that headphone jack is a bit staticky, you'll want to move over to a USB source. And wouldn't you know it, ModMic's other cabled solution is the ModMic USB. They've been making USB adapters for years, so it only makes sense that at some point they just build the USB converter directly into a ModMic. The overall design for both stays super familiar. A bendy boom arm positions the mic in front of your face, a little foam sock helps with the plosives, and magnets are rad. Mute switches are built into the cable for easily turning off your mic feed. ModMic Uni is a straightforward, simple mic element, and ModMic USB borrows that fun trick from the ModMic wireless where you can set a more omnidirectional and more natural sound to your microphone, or a slightly more focused sound, which helps reduce some of the noise in your environment. Good cans, good microphone, boom, good gaming headset. Not necessarily a concern, but like ModMics of old, there's a little extra cable management required for either of these solutions. ModMic Uni might need a Y adapter if you want to plug into a combo jack. The USB input on the ModMic USB similarly only tackles your microphone input. You'll need to find another solution for your headphone output. And that's the one thing I think could have boosted the ModMic USB, giving us a plug to combine input and output. Then we'd only be using one USB port for all of our audio I/O. But the overall claim, the philosophy from ModMic remains. Even with the proliferation of great gaming headsets, the current solutions still can't account for all tastes and styles. Maybe you have an issue with sound quality, or maybe you have an issue with the fit and finish. There are a ton of headphones out there people might like. Headphones people probably already own and enjoy, and a little magnetic sticker is the only hint that you attach any kind of accessory. We all know that person who hits the TeamSpeak screeching through the earbuds that came free with their phone. Rustle, rustle. Distortion. Click, static, rustle, rustle. That's me acting out the sound of something rustling, not making fun of your friend named Russell. Don't be that gamer. Treat your buddy's ears with a little bit more respect. ModMic now has a simple analog option, a USB option, and a wireless option, so go nuts. I'll of course have more links below if you want more info on the ModMic Uni and ModMic USB if you want to shop one of these bad boys online. As always, thanks so much for watching, for sharing these reviews, and subscribing to this channel. More than just geeking out on Mountain Dew fueled gamer gear, we also want to see if we can repurpose something we already own and make it work for our gaming habit. We might be able to save a little cash along the way. If you would like to help support the production of those conversations, there are those links below, or you might consider joining the list of names currently scrolling by on your screen. A growing community of fun, like-minded tech pals, a huge resource for me planning future content, and I try not to ever abuse their ears. They're good people. I hope you'll check them out. Now, you know where you can find me around the rest of the internet, at SomeGadgetGuy on the Twitters and the Twitch, and the Facebooks and the Instagrams, and I will catch you all on the next review.